Listen to that music. That is awesome. All right, it's time for Thank Goodness It's Connecticut. Each week I like to feature something fun you can do in the state or talk about a topic I think you'll find interesting.
This week we're going duck pin bowling, and that's a duck pin at
Johnson's Lanes in Hamden.
Nice. All right. And this is a really nice place.
Yeah, the place looks great. It's super clean. Protocols are in place, and all they need now is for you to show up and have a little fun.
I'd like you to meet Sandra Thomas. She's the owner here at Johnson's Duck Pin Bowling Alley in Hamden. She was having a really good year. Everything was rolling along so smoothly, including the bowling balls.
Well, I was probably having one of the best years I've ever had. Right through January, I'm saying, oh, good.
Then came March, when the lanes went dark, all because of COVID-19.
March 16th was close the doors. That was it.
That's it.
That's it.
With no customers, Sandra, who's been bowling here herself since she was 8, kept busy.
I came in, I purged files, I painted ball returns and patched them up and cleaned out stuff and, just kept myself busy here.
And as soon as they could reopen, they did. Sandra, along with her son Ken and the rest of the staff, make sure the bowling alley is spotless.
Out on the lanes themselves, after use, we have a CDC disinfectant spray.
Okay.
Balls, buttons, seats, tables, back tables, chairs, everything is sprayed and wiped.
After every use?
Yes.
That's an arduous task.
It is, but right now it hasn't been horrendously busy, so we've gotten into a good routine.
Okay. So you're doing the best that you can.
I am.
And now we need people to come back.
Yes, we do.
The sport itself is a blast. You have to give it a try. It's quite different than 10-pin bowling.
What is duck pin bowling?
It's a small ball game. It's not the 8 to 16 pound ball. The highest weight is going to be 3 pounds, 12 ounces.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. It's an easier game for seniors, youngsters, and a lot of other people who just like the challenge of, am I going to hit the 300 game, because it's never been done.
Oh, no one's ever achieved a 300 game?
No. 279 for the men, and that's a young, well, he used to be young. Pete Signor in North Haven shot that.
Wow. Wow.
I'm totally up for the challenge. I'm a pretty good bowler, and I'm ready to hit the lanes.
So duck pin is three
balls.
3 balls per frame.
Yep.
10 frames.
Right.
And the max you can get is 300.
That's it.
Well, I'm probably gonna get close to 300 today.
One game, not 5. I love you, Scott. So, do you want me to set the bumpers up on the lane? The gutter rails, keep the ball up where you're going to hit pins?
I'm highly insulted, and I think I might need them.
We'll find out.
This is a warm-up. This is only a warm-up. Had this been an actual ball, I would let you know.
I step up to the foul line and chuck that 3-pounder down the lane.
Oh, it is hard. It's hard. It's a hard game. It's gonna be hard. All right, this is just warming up. Oh no! Where are the bumpers? Sandy!
Hold it tighter and push it out. There you go. What a coach.
Okay, that's a little bit better.
All right.
Nope. All right,
that was the end.
That was the end of the practice.
Yep.
I'm ready. I am ready to duck pin bowl.
All right, for real.
For real. 300 is the highest that I can get. Here we go, Sandy.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Holy moly. Well, you just lost the 300.
Not bad, but I just lost the 300, but I'll take a 9.
How did you do on his first roll?
Fantastic.
That was pretty good, right?
Yes.
I get 2 more tries to get this down?
Yes. Look at this. Sandbagger.
Frame number 2.
Yep. at this.
This is going to be hard to pick up.
No, it's not. Tell
No?
yourself you won't.
Okay.
You won't. Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. 2 spares for me.
See?
Oh, God. That was terrible. Frame number 3 didn't go well.
That's all right. You gotta have one of those in every game.
The rest of the game, frame after frame, would go, not so good, not so bad. And then it all came together in the last frame of the game.
1 box.
1 box left?
Yep.
That's it? 10th frame?
Yep.
Frame number 10. I don't think I've been doing too well, and Sandy's not telling me the score either.
When you're done, you'll know.
All right.
Strike here.
Yes!
Hallelujah.
Yes! A strike in the 10th frame!
2 balls.
Do I get 2 more balls?
2 balls.
I knew that was a perfect ball. It was just perfect.
Look at this. Holy moly mother. Hey,
1 more ball? That's all?
1 more. Now, look at this. That was a tough shot, buddy.
That was a tough shot.
All right. 109.
109 out of how much? 300?
You only had 1 bad box in the whole game. Right there.
109. Terrible, terrible, terrible. 109. Johnson's Duck Pin Lanes are located in Hamden, and they are excited to see you, and it would be great to support this local business. For hours of operation, call 203-248-1563.
And Sandy also wants to shout out all the other duck pin bowling alleys in the state. They're Highland Bowl in Cheshire, Woodland Lanes in West Haven, Laurel Lanes in Winstead, Lucky Strike Lanes in Mansfield, and Ducks on the Ave, that's in
West Hartford.
in the west end of Hartford. So go have a ball.